In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what exactly voids your PlayStation 5's warranty. I'm always seeing lots of comments asking if taking apart, replacing, or upgrading certain things on the PS5 will void its warranty. So I wanted to make this video to explain some of the things that will and will not void the warranty on your new PlayStation 5. I will have a link in the description box below to the entire warranty agreement on Sony's website. So if you're someone who wants to read the whole thing, you'll know exactly where to find it. Also, this video only pertains to the manufacturer warranty from Sony, and these details may or may not pertain to third-party warranties from other retailers. Starting off, I've been asked if disassembling the fan to either clean or replace it will void the warranty. And the short answer is no. To my knowledge, it is perfectly fine to disassemble the fan to clean or even replace it with an original part without voiding the warranty. The key is to make sure you do not break anything while doing this. In fact, you can pretty much take the whole system apart, put it back together again, and your warranty will remain intact as long as you do not break anything while doing so. Now, back in the day and up until fairly recently, Sony used to have these warranty seals on their PlayStation consoles that would deem your warranty as null and void if they were removed. It wasn't until just a couple years ago here with the PlayStation 4 Pro and PS4 Slim that these warranty stickers were considered illegal and companies like Sony had to stop using them. Nowadays, the only sticker that can really void your warranty is the one with the serial number. If you remove or damage this sticker, you can say goodbye to your warranty. The only seal that resembles any kind of warranty sticker is actually this one here, but it isn't necessarily a warranty sticker, it's just a tamper evidence seal. It lets Sony be aware of whether or not your console has been previously tampered with or taken apart if you do end up sending it in for repairs. Now, my honest recommendation is that if you're someone who's worried or paranoid about having your warranty voided, then just make sure to leave this sticker intact, and you really shouldn't have any issues if you ever try to send it in. But in reality, the agreement does in fact allow you to disassemble the system. However, if you end up causing damage to your console in the process, then you will in fact void the warranty. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting. Again, a link to the full warranty disclosure will be linked in the description box below. Make sure to leave a like rating on this video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.